Hey, what's going on? It's Gary, the Bearded Woodworker, and this is our 3-year-old cat, Kit Kat. And then meet our newest addition, our 4-month-old kitten, S'mores. This is a piece of tree trunk that I have cut down from a firewood expedition about 2 or 3 years ago. And this looks like it's some kind of large jute or twine. We are going to attempt to make a natural looking cat tree with this material and a couple pieces of scrap plywood. Stick around. I think the first thing I want to do, it's not bad, but I want to cut this bottom and make sure it's completely flat and straight. And then I'm going to take the sander to this and I'm going to knock off as much of this old bark and dust and stuff that I can. Yeah. It's not horrible. Now let's sand it. Forgot to mention, I have an old carpet that it's got a few stains in it. It's pretty thin, but I think this would make a great covering for the little platforms. And when I said I had scrapped plywood, I mean, here's an old door that I'm going to use as the base right now. So let's cover the plywood, and then we can set the log, branch, post on top, screw it through. All right. So, debating whether cutting a hole in the middle so I can glue it, or just the screws are going to be good enough. Maybe if I do a little hole, that'll get some glue in there. So I'm going to do that. I don't want to do the whole pole. I want to do little sections here and there. And since they don't scratch down low, they scratch high. I'm going to start about a foot from the bottom and go up to about here, and then we'll see what else happens. Matter of fact, there's a good knot right here. It's a good place to start. So, use my staple gun. I'm going to go down on an angle, so when I start wrapping it, it's going to cover that up. And I want to fairly do it tight, I guess. Tight as I can. Wow, that really got the muscles working. I don't know if anyone has ever tried that before, but man, that took a little longer than I thought. A little tired here. I just cut this. It was a little longer, and we're gonna put it on the top. There you go. Thanks. No problem. Go. I have it turned upside down, and I'm just going to repeat the same process as we did on the bottom one.
See, I'm folding it in right here. Give it just a nice clean look. I think we need a stabilization thing maybe here, and I think that'll hold the cat. If I could get this to work, that would be awesome. Like that. That looks cool. All right, how am I going to do that? I think I got it. You should go try it out.